Hi, Meera. So strange. This bag of groceries is lying there by your car. Did you forget it or something? The milk in there must be spoiled by now.
Thank you.
You okay?
Don't tell Raj about this. Hello?
Hi, remember to pick up Sean
Yeah, I'll remember.
and make sure you take your lunch at 12, okay?
I will, yes, I will.
And also your donut as well. Make sure you take that.
Yeah, I'll take it right now.
Alright, good.
You can stay on the phone with me if you like.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, did you have your lunch?
I'll have it now.
Okay. And don't forget, you have to pick up Sean.
I'll pick him up.
Okay. Bye.
Hello? Yes, I remember. Yes, I'll pick him up. I know where it is. Okay, I'll call you.
Johnny, you're late.
This is the fourth time this month you're late. I know there's a fine. We will pay.
Oh my! Now
I'll play.
I found the ball.
Hi.
Johnny. Forgot me.
Meera! Meera, you have something! Meera, something is burning! You have something on the burner! Oh God! How long has this been on? Meera! Meera! Meera, Meera, you're forgetting everything now. What am I going to do? Meera, 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 can you hear me? And this remote, I found it in the kitchen.
I was looking for this. Sean wanted to watch TV.
Sean, his teacher had called.
I left him at the playground just for a few minutes.
Left him? What do you mean left him? Where is Sean? Where is Sean now?
I don't know.
Meera, Meera, where is Sean right now? Tell me where he is.
He's in the basement.
Oh my God, basement. Meera, you're hopeless. I asked you to pick up Sean and bring him from the school, hold his hand, and you couldn't even do that. And I called you 4 times. You burned down the bloody house. And you left Sean behind today. This is getting very dangerous. Meera, how much more can I do? I'm just one person. And I cannot quit. I cannot afford to stay home and take care of you.
Please don't shout. Don't shout.
I cannot do everything.
Mom, you know I can't afford extended hours at the daycare. I mean, David is slow with the alimony. I can barely cover Sean's school and daycare costs.
Tara, you need to have some other arrangement for picking up Sean. You were doing fine until you got married to that David, that loser.
Don't talk about him that way in front of Sean. He's still Sean's father.
Yeah, some father he is.
Please stop arguing. My head hurts. Ma, don't go. No, we still haven't decided. Look, I thought you could manage. Sean is old enough to walk home from school by himself. You live a few blocks down the street from the school. All you need to do is open the door for him. Piece of cake.
Can't you see what is happening here? She cannot manage anything by herself. She's a threat to your child and to herself.
Look, I just need to finish my MBA. I've got 2 semesters left.
Get a loan.
I already have a loan. At this rate, I'll be paying it off until I retire.
Then ask that loser husband of yours to pay a little more money.
Mom, can you just try? I mean, you're so sharp about some things. Last year, you drove us all the way to the beach by yourself. And you took all those photographs of the birds. They were beautiful.
No, it's not going to work.
Have some faith. I mean, Mom was...
Tara, it is not the same.
Dad!
No, it is not going to work.
morning. It's me. Are you okay? You're sitting here in the morning in your night dress? You okay? I was walking there and I saw you. I need all the exercise I can get. But you just sitting here? Are you okay? Can I call somebody? Can I call your husband? Give me your number. I don't have his phone number here with me.
I don't give my number.
Come on, Meera, you know me.
I don't know you.
I've lived next door to you for 10 years. Come on, Meera, give me your number. I could call your husband. Give me your number. Come on, Meera, it's me.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for calling. Meera, come on. Please. Come on, Meera. Don't be upset at me. Come on, we're just looking at options right now, okay? And you don't have to be at this nursing home. Come on, Meera.
Meera. Meera.
Listen to the doctor.
Look at me.
Listen to what
Look at
he's-
me. We'll take very good care of you. Please.
Hey, do you have any money? I'm hungry. I'm really hungry. Please, can you give me some money? I don't have anything to eat. Well, actually, I do have some food. Here, it's clean. I got it at a nice place. They waste so much food there. Oh, come talk to me, dearie. No one to talk to. I used to be nice and clean. Everybody's gone now. The kids, my old man. Ah, all this noise. Hard to think. Come sit with me, dearie. I'm not sick or nothing. Just this noise in my head. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Are you sick? Oh, you could live here with me at the park. There's a shelter up there and bathrooms and lots of food. I hear voices. Oh, voices. Voices, voices. You too?
I don't hurt anything. I don't feel anything.
Not so bad then. Oh, it hurts so bad. But with the meds it doesn't hurt so bad. But I can't find the doctor lady no more. She helps. She helps. Can you take me to her? Can you take me to the doctor, please? I got to take me to her. Please help me, please. Please help me.
Ah